3 with our Visual Brains We Move series. Today we'll be working on crossing the midline. For this activity, you'll take a piece of butcher paper and tape it to the wall and divide it into 4 quadrants. In each quadrant, you'll put numbers 1 through 20, or for younger kids, you could do 1 through 10. To play, the players will count from 1 to 20 or 1 to 10, and they'll tap the number they're saying with the opposite hand or foot. To demonstrate, I have Luca and Dominic. For added difficulty, you could also do it backwards. Well, thank you guys so much. If you're looking for more fun activities, you can visit our website, www.ourvisualbrain.com.